The launch of the iPhone 15 Pro Max has passed, and while a new model won't be available until later this year, there's already speculation about whether to wait for the purported iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro Max. Nearly 6 months since the release of the iPhone 15 Pro Max, numerous rumors about the iPhone 16 Pro Max have surfaced, giving us insights into potential upgrades. One important note is the possibility of an Ultra variant mentioned by Bloomberg's Mark Gurman. It could either replace the Pro Max or be a premium model alongside it. The reported increase in display size to 6.9 inches for the 2024 Pro Max raises questions about the device's ergonomics. Apple might mitigate the size increase by adjusting the aspect ratio or implementing a border reduction structure, BRS, to reduce bezels. There's also speculation about relocating Face ID under the screen, potentially allowing for a smaller dynamic island cutout, though this might debut in 2025. Another rumored addition is a capture button, likely a capacitive shutter button for the camera, offering enhanced camera control. The iPhone 16 Pro Max will feature the A18 Pro CPU, promising smoother performance and higher frame rates. The RAM will reportedly remain at 8 gigs. The most significant improvements could come in the camera array, with rumors suggesting a 300mm telephoto lens, a larger sensor for better low-light performance, and a 48-megapixel ultrawide lens. While it's early for iPhone 16 Pro Max rumors, these potential upgrades represent a significant step forward. However, they're not guaranteed, and the iPhone 15 Pro Max remains a top-tier option. Ultimately, whether to wait for the iPhone 16 Pro Max depends on your priorities and satisfaction with your current device. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel. And I see you in the next video. Peace out.